It is one of my newfound somewhat goals in life to be the most obnoxious person ever, fashion wise. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, Exhibit C and D, Exhibit E. Now, what better month than Pride Month to explore my need of vomiting rainbow on myself in the form of fabric? In other words, what better time than now to make a full rainbow dress so obnoxious no one would ever think to wear except for me. So, let's do it!
Look at me, I'm a ghost. No, so here's the plan. I have the festival.
Oh yeah, I forgot to give context. So I was vending at Pride Denton this year. So I was on a time crunch as well. So that's a lot of fun. Okay, back to the video.
In exactly 6 days. So I have 6 days to make this rainbow dress. At least 2 nights, because I have other responsibilities. At least while the baby is asleep, I am going to attempt, keyword attempt, to at least cut out all my pieces and like vaguely assemble them. So this pattern is from mood.com. It is their pattern hack like summertime keyhole dress. I will link it down below. It's basically a pattern hack of a bralette, and then you basically just make your own like circle skirt below it. It is meant to have a zipper on it, but I want to change this to basically have like an elasticated back band, so I don't need to deal with zippers or anything and be uncomfortable. That's my ideal want for this dress. I did make a little mock-up yesterday. I kept the bra cups the exact same. Whoops. I kept the bra cups the exact same. I mocked it up, I made sure it looks good on me, and I'm ready to cut that out. And then for the back band, I basically took my shoulder width minus the bra cups and made that to the back, and then I'm going to loop the elastic inside of it and basically just use this as a lining. So now what I need to figure out is, let me put this on. Now what I need to figure out is where I want my colors to go. Pink, orange, yellow is like the side back, green is the other side back, blue and purple. I mean, this is technically cut on fold, but that's an easy fix. I can just do it like regular, like cut 1/2 of each. I'm probably going to use this as a lining. I want the waistband piece to be white, and then same thing with the skirt, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's at least cohesive. It's going to be a little tough to line up the rainbow bra cups with the rainbow skirt, but you know, I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Before I cut out my pieces, come with me to do math. Yay!
Okay, time to do math, which I really love. Yay! I actually don't mind math, to be honest, but I don't think this will help anyone. Also, I did not end up using this at all, so take this with a grain of salt if you must. So I took my hip measurement, which is 50 inches, and added an extra 3 inches for more room and volume. So I took that to Mood's circle skirt calculator, which I will leave in the description. I found the radius, which I needed, and it was 8.12. I then took this to my calculator and divided it by 6, since that's how many colors I had. I decided to draw this out so I could have a pattern, but then I realized, wait, that's not how it worked, and I had to do a little like preschool drawing to see what I was trying to do to figure out my measurements. I took my circumference and divided it by how many colors I had, which was 6, and I took my radius measurement and measured it out, the circumference divided by the colors. I did go through the effort of drawing it out, like I said, which I did not use, hee. I just basically made a half circle skirt for each panel. So it ended up being like 3 full circle skirts. So that was fun. Here I am gathering up all my colors and cutting out everything. I do the bra cups first, just so I know I'll have them and I can determine the length of the skirt that I want. And now let's take a break to make some patchwork pride flags, because this is a pride event after all. I did my best to make them really nice with French seams, ooh, and bias binding, ooh. There were some customers that wanted to buy them, which made me really happy. If you want some, I can list them on my Etsy or something. I don't know, let me know. We thank you for watching me make pride flags. Now back to the video. It was at this point in the project that I thought, you know, I don't have enough responsibilities, that I'm gonna make the bottom edge of the skirt scalloped, so it will literally take twice as long as if I didn't do it. Oh my god. I made a little template in Cricut Design Space, and I had my Cricut cut it out on cardstock, and I gathered up some white cotton and got drawing, sewing, and cutting for all of eternity. Oh my god, this took so long. I am sewing the straps here. It's just 4 rectangles, and here I am sewing the lining to the booby cups. Yay. Welcome to my worst nightmare. It is Wednesday night, 11 p.m. I've survived the day with pure adrenaline and pickles. I had to go to work today, and I didn't get off until 10, and the baby didn't fall asleep until 11, so now I'm stuck here trying to figure out how to make this dress in time. So first things first, get the ugliest orange marker in the universe, and let's write down what we need to do. 1, sew lining. I already sewed the lining. I'll sew lining better. 2, figure out bottom. I can't write and talk at the same time. Figure out under bust thing. I don't know. Sure. I wrote 2 again. 3. Elastic. I forget who it was, but I saw a video recently of the Shrek Lolita dress. I will link their channel in the description because their video was actually very good. I enjoyed them. They did a technique, I think it's in the Lolita dress community, where the back is elasticated. It looked like they sewed channels and the elastic to each end, and so it like hugs your figure. I hope that's what it does to me. For skirt, and 5, hem skirt with scallops. Oh, understitch. Here's what our to-do list is looking like. Doesn't my handwriting look absolutely perfect? I know. And in addition to this, I also need to like double, triple check I have my product where it needs to be, like everything I need, and then check with my friend to make sure they have everything they need. But just to give you an idea of what this is looking like, I'm gonna sound dumb when I say this. It's giving way more rainbow than I thought. I know that sounds stupid, but do you know those, it's specifically the like rainbow, what is it? Like the elementary school like tent things, like you flew up and like brought down. Like it's reminding me a lot of that. Look at how fun. And then this will be like a little cutout, and I'll have a little waistband here, and then this part I can either do up as like a halter neck if I'm feeling fancy, or I have 2 other straps back here in case I want to do a little over the shoulder moment, depending on how fancy I'm feeling that day. That's cute, right? I think so. Also, just as a goal for myself this year, I've been trying my best to like keep my inside seams looking good. Honestly, for this skirt, I do not care. I already washed the skirt, and I basically cut all of these on like the corner bit of where I washed them, so all the edges are like, they're frayed, but in a way that won't make them fray more, if that makes sense. Like, you can't really tell. I'm not too caring about the skirt right now, except for I'm loving the fact that it reminds me of the parachute things. And then on the bottom, in case you couldn't tell, there's a lot going on. I wanted to have these little scallops because I thought they were cute. I already prepped all of them. Let's hope I have enough. Like, look at how cute that is. Like, I thought it would remind me of like clouds and stuff, which I think it will. I think it'll be very cute. But let's get sewing. I've been wasting so much time. Oh, look at all the time I've been wasting doing something that brings me joy. Oh my god. Nah, I'm being dramatic. I am following my amazing checklist by hemming the keyhole and then understitching the bust, and it really helps to make sure everything is clean and nice. This is what I'm looking like by the end of tonight, Wednesday night. It's Thursday now. It's about 2 a.m. I need to go to bed, but this is what I'm looking like. I'm glad I got the top done. I did my best to line it and stuff. This thing got a little bit weird, so what I did is I, what's it called? I folded it over once and then folded it over again. I just call that like a nice seam, I guess. Did that for this little keyhole cutout thing right here, and then for the rest of it I did bias binding that I made myself from scraps. Reduce, reuse, recycle. And then for the back I did one string of elastic at the top. I did a channel and did it through, and then did another one of white at the bottom. This is 2 layers back here that only went to like the side where like the green and the yellow is, and then this is like not elasticated at all. And I can still get it over my head and it is relatively comfortable. So tomorrow, main goal. Ahaha, fucking got you. No, I'm just kidding, I'm sorry. But legit, that's where my clip ended and I have no other recollection of what I was going to say, so sorry. Next. Again, I'm sorry for the prank. I thought it was dumb and silly, but here I am attaching the skirt to the top. I did realize I did not line up the colors correctly, but it ended up being a good mistake, and it's finally coming together. Here I come. Ah, I'm so cute. Oh my goodness, I love this so much. So the mismatching of the colors was unintentional, but kind of welcome. It gives more interest, I think, and it's like not perfect, but like, who cares? I like this. Like, this is so cute. It feels so, like, I don't know what the word is. Like, I guess whimsical. Or like, I feel so colorful and happy. Like, look at this shit. Like, you wouldn't be happy wearing this? I'm so happy wearing this. But we're not quite done yet. I did intentionally do like a Hong Kong seam, but I left the little bit so I could fold it over and have the seam nice on the inside. And then I do need to hem the bottom hem. I am going to put these scallops all along the bottom because I spent so long making them, and if I don't use them, damn it, I'm gonna be mad. Oh my god, this is so cute! It's so cute! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Look at this. I'm so excited. I do need to attach them into one really big strip, so I'm probably gonna do that off camera because it's boring, hee hee. And I'll be back for exciting part and to reveal, obviously. Yee, I'm so happy. What am I doing? Oh, I wanted to show you a magic trick. Look at how many damn scallops come out of this bear. Wow. It just keeps on going, huh? Oh my god, wow. The final step is attaching these damn scallops. I really thought I had enough. I really did. I was playing scallop chicken with this, and you'll hear it soon. It was about here that I realized I might not have enough. See? I made some more and completed this hem by French seaming it so it's nice and finished on the inside, thus completing this dress, and here is the final result. Ah! Oh, woof. Sorry this took way too long to get out, and apologies for my phone in the frame because my microphone is charging, because of course it is. Let's talk about stuff that went well, what stuff didn't go well, if I can remember, because it's been 2 months. What did go well is my market. My friend Mickey and I did very well. It was a lot of fun. But dress-wise, I'm pretty satisfied with it. The only thing I'm not like super duper satisfied with is the cups. They are pancaking my boobs a little bit, not to oblivion, but like I could have done this better. I could have like added darts or something, made them a little bit bigger. The keyhole is arguably too big, but that's kind of nitpicky. I do want to improve on the back because the elastic I used is way too thick and it's kind of choking me. Not choking me, but like it's kind of strangling my back a little bit. I think I should have used like more thinner strips of elastic versus like 2 really big thick pieces of elastic. The skirt I'm the most happy with. It's so swishy and so colorful and so like whimsical. I'm really happy with it. I'm also happy with how I finished everything. Besides the skirt, like I told you, it's not like the nicest ever finishing I did on the skirt, but whatever, I don't really care. All things considered, I think I'm like on a satisfaction level, I'd say like 3.5 out of 5. So I can improve on this later, but for now I am happy that I have a obnoxious rainbow dress in my closet and that I can wear it to pride events from now on. All right, thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Thank you, bye. Fuck, I didn't record. I meant, let's do it.
I was thinking pink, orange, yellow, green.